microvils. Here in the Quality Control Lab, we use advanced robotics to analyze the wheat. The sensor sweeps the grains,
Deep inside these massive silos, millions of tons of grain are kept in pristine condition.
First, the wheat is thoroughly cleaned. This vibrating conveyor belt separates the high-quality grain from any unwanted debris or rocks. The milling process begins as the golden wheat is ground and separated into streams before collecting in the basin below.
how instant noodles are made. In this state-of-the-art facility, the journey of the noodle starts with the precise milling of high-quality flour.
The process begins with the careful sifting of high-quality flour, ensuring a consistent texture for the dough.
In these immense, sterile vats, the ingredients are precisely combined and steamed. The automated system
The specialized broth is brought to a rigorous boil at 100 degrees Celsius, a critical step in preparing the noodles.
The process begins as the alkaline solution is carefully measured and mixed with the high-quality wheat flour, forming the dough.
First, the flour is mixed with water and other ingredients in these massive industrial mixers. The dough is kneaded until perfectly smooth.
Here we see the sheeting line, where the dough is precisely flattened between large rollers and dusted with flour before the next stage. Here in the Quality Control Lab, technicians check the elasticity of the noodle sheets. Stretching the dough over a light table.
Next, the thin sheets are fed into the cutting mechanism. These rapidly spinning rotary cutters precisely slice the dough into uniform wavy noodles.
Next, the continuous sheet of dough passes through high-speed rotary cutters, transforming it into the familiar.
Steaming is crucial. The fresh noodles are exposed to high-pressure steam, which gelatinizes the starch.
A precise oscillating metal plate folds the continuous noodle sheet into its signature wavy accordion pattern.
Next, the steamed noodles enter the pressing station, where the automated machinery compresses them into the final wavy block shape.
Next, the blocks enter the multi-level steamer, where high-pressure steam locks in the wavy shape.
The fried noodle blocks now enter the cooling tunnels, where powerful fans rapidly reduce their temperature before packaging.
The noodles are flash fried at high temperatures, which gives them their long shelf life and distinctive shape.
After frying, the noodle blocks enter the cooling tunnel, where powerful fans rapidly lower their temperature before packaging.
Once fried, the blocks are ready for packaging, where they meet their colorful wrappers on the high-speed conveyor belts.
Quality control is crucial. Here, the spice blend is sifted to ensure perfect consistency before being added to the noodles.
The precise amount of seasoning is crucial. Here, the red spice powder is measured automatically before being sealed. To guarantee the perfect flavor profile, each seasoning sachet must register exactly 10 grams.
The freshly fried and dried noodle blocks are rapidly conveyed to the packaging stage, where they are swiftly wrapped and prepared for distribution. Next, the high-speed vertical form fill seal machine shapes the printed film into a tube and creates a flawless vertical seal. The automated packaging line moves at incredible speed, with heated jaws creating an airtight seal and slicing the packages rhythmically.
After the frying process, the noodles enter this specialized cooling tunnel where powerful fans
At the case packing station, Precision Robotics handle the final stage before shipment. The automated system ensures maximum efficiency. High-speed rollers apply a tight seal to the cardboard cases, ensuring efficiency and consistency across the production line.
At the logistics hub, every box is scanned, ensuring maximum efficiency and accurate inventory control. Here, the automated wrapper secures the boxes with a tight layer of stretch film, ensuring freshness and stability for transport.
The pallets then move through the heat tunnel, where the plastic wrap is tightly secured. This protects the noodles during transit.
This state-of-the-art unit utilizes advanced robotics and streamlined logistics.
The finished instant noodles are swiftly moved to the high bay warehouse, where automated systems ensure maximum efficiency and organization. Pallets are loaded via a motorized roller system. This ensures a smooth and efficient transfer deep into the trailer, minimizing manual labor. Every evening, our trucks deliver the essential ingredients to the factory, just in time for the night shift.
The process begins here, at the loading docks, where the highest quality flour arrives day and night to be transformed. Once packaged, the instant noodles are transported by the automated system to high-density storage bays.
Here, laser scanners meticulously check each pallet, ensuring efficient inventory management and seamless flow through the facility.
The AMR uses advanced laser guidance to precisely lift and move pallets of instant noodles throughout the facility.
Advanced logistics ensure every ingredient is tracked with precision, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. From the production line, the finished noodles are quickly transported to the loading bay, where they are secured for shipment in our climate-controlled trucks.
After the final quality checks, the noodles are dispatched from the warehouse, ready to be shipped worldwide.
From automated production lines to fully stocked supermarket shelves, instant noodles are ready for kitchens worldwide.
From humble wheat flour to the final package, advanced technology ensures every noodle is perfect before it reaches the shelf.